यह मौका बार बार नहीं मिलेगा। This chance won't come again. This chance won't come again. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है। This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. मैं तुम्हारे साथ समय बिताना चाहता हूं। I want to spend time with you. I want to spend time with you. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा हूं। I am incomplete without you. I am incomplete without you. उसने बिना कुछ कहे काम कर दिया। He did the work without saying anything. He did the work without saying anything. हमें सच का सामना करना होगा। We must face the truth. We must face the truth. वह बहुत तेज बोलती है। She speaks very fast. She speaks very fast. मैं अपनी गलती सुधारना चाहता हूं। I want to correct my mistake. I want to correct my mistake. क्या आप मुझे रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? यह फैसला जल्दीबाजी में लिया गया। This decision was taken in haste. This decision was taken in haste. क्या तुम मेरे लिए कुछ ला सकते हो? Can you bring something for me? Can you bring something for me? क्या तुमने यह खबर पढ़ी? Did you read this news? Did you read this news? तुम्हारा जवाब समझदारी भरा था। Your answer was wise. Your answer was wise. मुझे अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना है। I have to focus on my goal. I have to focus on my goal. क्या तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करते हो? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. यह सबसे अच्छा विकल्प है। This is the best option. This is the best option. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला। He lied to me. He lied to me. मैं कोई जोखिम नहीं लेना चाहता। I don't want to take any risk. I don't want to take any risk. यह जगह बहुत सुंदर है। This place is very beautiful. This place is very beautiful. वह मेरी मदद के बिना कुछ नहीं कर सकता। He can't do anything without my help. He can't do anything without my help. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई। Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. क्या हम एक साथ काम कर सकते हैं? Can we work together? Can we work together? हमें कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए। We should never give up. We should never give up. मुझे अपने फैसले पर पछतावा नहीं है। I don't regret my decision. I don't regret my decision. मुझे लगता है कि तुम सही हो. I think you are right. I think you are right. मुझे आपकी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. वह बहुत शांत और समझदार है. He is very calm and sensible. He is very calm and sensible. मुझे तुम्हारा समर्थन चाहिए. I need your support. I need your support. यह काम जल्द ही पूरा हो जाएगा. This work will be completed soon. This work will be completed soon. क्या तुम मुझे माफ कर दोगे? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? हम सबको एकजुट रहना चाहिए. We all should stay united. We all should stay united. वह मेरी बात नहीं समझता. He doesn't understand me. He doesn't understand me. तुम क्या साबित करना चाहते हो? What are you trying to prove? What are you trying to prove? मैंने उसे मना कर दिया. I refused him. I refused him. यह केवल शुरुआत है. यह केवल एक शुरुआत है. This is just a beginning. This is just a beginning. उसने अपने माता पिता को गर्व महसूस कराया. He made his parents proud. He made his parents proud. मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि तुम आए. I'm very happy that you came. I'm very happy that you came. आपका दिन शुभ हो. May your day be blessed. May your day be blessed. मैंने उसे पहले ही चेतावनी दी थी. I had already warned him. I had already warned him. यह सही समय नहीं है. This is not the right time. This is not the right time. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे अपने फैसले पर गर्व है. I am proud of my decision. I am proud of my decision. वे इस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे हैं. They are working on this project. They are working on this project. यह योजना सफल हो सकती है. This plan might succeed. This plan might succeed. क्या तुम मेरी जगह होते तो क्या करते? What would you do if you were in my place? What would you do if you were in my place? क्या तुम मेरी जगह जा सकते हो? Can you go in my place? Can you go in my place? क्या तुम मेरी जगह जा सकते हो? Can you go instead of me? Can you go instead of me? मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. हमें इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. We should take this seriously. We should take this seriously. मुझे उसका व्यवहार पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like his behavior. I didn't like his behavior.